So here it is. Nice little aluminum lid, quite heavy actually. Yeah. Brass handle on top, two knobs securing the lid on the wooden board, there and there. Yeah. And the typewriter itself. It's a rotary index. It's actually similar to the Viro type in the way the letters are oriented around a circle inside this double walled tin. They're getting inked as you turn them past this, and when you select the letter and push the button on top, it comes out through this guide, and that little escapement pole is dragging the tin along this rail. Underneath here are the two feed rollers. Of course, they're pretty much gone by now, and what remains of a rubber strip that's rock hard now. Alright. On top it has this little selector lever that allows to go from A to B, and there's this little pin here on the plunger that either stops it here, or if you go the other way, allows it to go all the way down. This is to allow to either go for a full impression or just making space wherever you are. So you can select the full impression, the slug goes all the way down, or the other select and it stops. Yeah. So you can either move along without impressing any characters, or you can print. Simple little margin stops, just a little screw to set them, and in order to move this you have to lift it a bit. You can move it along. This little knob here is actually quite nice because you can take off the entire thing, take it off the base, and put it anywhere you want to print. So I could print right onto my table if I want to. There you go.